Welcome back, beautiful people. English Listen Easy is here to help you understand faster.
Hey, Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, Jack. I went for a walk before this.
Nice. Was it cold outside?
A little cold, but the sun was out. It felt great.
That sounds nice. I stayed inside and drank coffee.
Of course you did.
I'm just not a big fan of cold mornings.
That's fair. I actually like the cold a little bit.
Really? Why do you like it?
It wakes me up and makes me feel more awake.
Interesting. Coffee does that for me instead. Anyway, listeners, today we talk about past simple questions.
Yes, questions like did you go or did she call?
This topic connects to what we talked about before.
It does. We already learned was and were and irregular verbs.
Right. Now let's put it all together with questions.
Questions can feel tricky at first, but the rule is simple.
I agree. Once you learn one rule, it works every time.
That's true for almost every part of English grammar. Okay, here's the basic rule. Use did plus the base verb.
The base verb means the simple form, not the past form.
For example, did you go? Not did you went.
Exactly. That's a really common mistake.
It is. Did already shows past tense, so the verb stays simple.
One did is enough. You don't need two past forms.
Right. Did you eat? Not did you ate.
I still made that mistake for a long time, actually.
Really? Tell listeners about it.
Sure. A few years ago, I was talking to a new coworker.
What did you say?
I asked, "Did you went to the meeting yesterday?"
No, Jack.
I know. It should have been, "Did you go to the meeting?"
Did your coworker correct you?
She smiled and just answered the question kindly, but later my friend explained the rule to me clearly.
How did you find out you made a mistake?
My friend heard me and gently told me the correct way. I felt a little embarrassed, but I was grateful too.
Was that helpful?
Very helpful. After that, I never made that mistake again.
I have a similar story, actually.
Please, go ahead. I want to hear it.
One time, I asked my friend, did she finish her homework? It should have been, did she finish her homework?
What happened after you said it?
She just answered, yes, she finished it an hour ago.
Did you notice your mistake right away?
Not right away. I felt a little nervous when I finally noticed.
I understand that feeling. These small mistakes can feel big.
They can, but now I always remember one did is enough. I also started to look for this mistake in my own writing.
Does that help you catch it before you speak?
Yes, a lot. I go back and check my sentences in my head first.
That's a smart habit for anyone learning grammar.
Let's give listeners a few more examples now.
Great idea. Did you sleep well? Did he call you back?
Did she like the movie? Did they arrive on time?
Did we forget something? Did it rain yesterday?
See, the verb always stays in its simple form after did.
Right. No ed, no irregular past form, just the base verb.
That's the whole trick. It's actually pretty simple once you know it.
Now, listeners, before we continue, we have a small request.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
It really helps us make more episodes for you.
Okay, let's talk about negative sentences too.
Sure. Negative past simple also uses did with not.
I did not go becomes I didn't go.
She did not call becomes she didn't call.
The verb still stays simple even in the negative form.
Right. She didn't called is wrong. It's she didn't call.
Good point. That's a common mistake too.
I made that exact mistake once, actually.
Really? What did you say?
I said she didn't wanted to come. It should be didn't want.
That's another classic double past mistake.
It is. One did or one didn't is always enough.
That's a rule worth remembering forever.
What about questions with question words like what or where?
Same rule, just add the question word at the front.
What did you eat? Where did they go?
When did she arrive? Why did he leave early?
How did you feel? Who did you meet?
See the pattern? Question word, then did, then subject, then base verb.
That's a clear pattern once you say it a few times.
Let's practice a few of these out loud right now.
Good idea. What did you buy?
I bought a new jacket.
Where did you find it?
I found it at a small shop downtown.
See? The answer uses the past form, but the question uses the base verb.
That's the key difference between questions and answers. Let's do a quick practice round now with listeners.
Listeners, try to answer in your head.
Fix this sentence. Did you went to the store?
Did you go to the store?
Good. Now fix this one. Did she ate breakfast?
Did she eat breakfast?
Nice. Try this one. Did they saw the movie?
Did they see the movie?
Perfect. One more. Did he wrote the email?
Did he write the email?
One more. Did we forgot the tickets?
Did we forget the tickets?
Last one. Did it rained yesterday?
Did it rain yesterday?
You're doing great, listeners. Keep practicing this rule.
Practice really is the key here. There's no shortcut.
I know that feeling. This rule took me a while to learn.
Me too. I used to feel nervous before every question I asked.
Nervous about grammar or nervous about talking to people?
Both, actually. I worried I would say something wrong.
I felt nervous too, but asking questions got easier with time.
It really did. Now I don't even think about the rule.
That's the goal. The rule becomes natural after enough practice.
Let's talk about our recap now.
Sure. So today we learned past simple questions with did.
One did plus the base verb, not the past form.
We also shared 2 funny mistakes about this exact rule.
Yes, did you went and did she finished, both wrong. Let's talk about our word of the episode now.
Yes, I have a fun word for today.
What word is it?
The word is wonder. Do you know this word?
Wait, what does wonder mean exactly?
It means thinking about something you don't know the answer to.
Oh, like when I wonder what the weather will be tomorrow.
Exactly. Or when you wonder why someone said something strange.
I wonder about English grammar rules a lot, honestly.
Me too. I wonder why English has so many rules.
I often wonder if I'm asking a question the right way.
That's a great use of the word, Jack.
Thanks. It's a useful word for curious people like us.
What do you wonder about most, Jack?
I often wonder how native speakers learn grammar so easily.
That's a good question. I wonder about that too.
Maybe they just hear it so much it becomes natural.
I think that's true. Wondering leads to good questions like this one.
It really does. Now, let's give our listeners a tip. Okay, here's my tip. When you wonder about a rule, ask.
Don't stay quiet just because you feel nervous.
Right. Ask a friend, a teacher, or even write it down.
Every question you ask helps you learn something new.
Exactly. Wondering is actually the first step to learning.
I really believe that. Curious people learn faster, I think.
They do. Curiosity keeps you asking even when you feel unsure.
And every small question adds up to real progress over time.
That's such a good tip, Emma.
Thank you, Jack. Okay, it's almost time to go. Before we finish, let's talk about our word again.
Right. The word was wonder. Don't forget it.
You can start using this word whenever you talk or write in English.
Try writing a sentence like, I wonder what she said.
Or you could write, I always wonder about new words.
Both sentences use wonder in a natural, everyday way.
Exactly. Simple sentences are the easiest to remember.
Write your sentence in the comments below.
This will help you remember the word better. You create the context yourself and write it down.
We'd love to read your sentences, listeners.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you.
Thank you for listening today, everyone. We really appreciate you.
Bye for now, beautiful people. See you next time.